Hi everyone, this is Joe, and in this video we're going to talk about Backender Database. So database is a feature inside Backender that lets you store data inside your system and use it to your endpoints and functionalities. So Backender Database uses the NoSQL approach. So NoSQL is a database design approach that stores data in a non-relational format. NoSQL stands for not only SQL or non-SQL. So relational database or databases that has tables and columns, but NoSQL are non-relational databases that um, has collections instead of tables, and it inside the collections it has documents, and each document has its own data. So relational databases are strict, and non-relational databases or NoSQL databases are non-strict. So you can work on your backender project with no worries, with no strictness and stuff like that. So this is the database page of Backender. As you can see in this column, we have the collections. You can see the list of collections, and then the second column we have the documents inside the particular collection, and in the right side we have the document data of a specific document. So um, all of the application inside Backender will be provisioned automatically with databases. So to to create a new collection inside Backender database, you just have to click this button, start new collection, give it a name. So let's just say we name it posts. So we have a post collection. So click next. So for example, we have the title of the post. So hi from Backender. So and let's just say we have description, stuff like that. So you can add as much data as you need. So this is the initial document inside this post collection. So it's just hi, this is a tutorial for Backender database feature. So for example like that. So click submit, and submitting, let's wait for it. And as you can see, post collection has been added, and it has an initial document, which is the first one. We have the document in here. We have the description that we have added, and also the title, right? So now all of the documents inside the collection has its own ID. So this ID is automatically created for each of the documents. So this serves as the identification of each documents. So also we can add more documents in here. For example, we add a new document inside the post collection. So let's just add it, and let's just say title post. So description is this is another description post. All right, so all you have to do is you have to save document, and saving, wait for it. And as you can see, the new document has been added. So this is the first one that we have added. This is a tutorial, choo, and then the second one is here. This is the other one. So for example, if you want to update a document, you just have to go select the document, for example this one, and you just have to edit it from here. So let's just say we want to add a new field. For example, this document has its own likes, just for example. So the number of likes is 100, for example. Let's just save that one, and as you can see, the document has been saved. So this is how you manipulate your database in the backender using the GUI, or the graphical user interface. But what if you want to manipulate all the data in here programmatically, or using your own system functionality or endpoints? So we can do that by going to our endpoint editor. So let's go to this tab. For example, this is the endpoint editor of Backender. So we are currently editing the endpoint put slash users slash id. So we can add stack in here for the functionality. For example, we have to click this one. We want to add the stack in the front and the first part of our functionality. So let's just click plus button, add stack, and then you'll be redirected in this list. So we have now a list of functions that we can add as a stack of our existing functionality. So the first 6 function of the function list is all about the database and how you manipulate the database or how you retrieve data from the database. So the first one, we have database get, retrieves data from the Backender project database. Next, we have database get one, retrieves only one data from the Backender project database. We have database show, retrieves only one data by ID from the Backender project database. We have database delete, removes one data by ID from the Backender project database. We have database create, creates a data in the Backender project database. And lastly, we have database update, updates a data by ID in the Backender project database. So all of these functionalities are all database related. So yeah, you can use this function so that your endpoint will be much more complete and more functional as you go on with your journey inside the Backender. So to know more about Backender database, you can go ahead to our guide, and you can find it in guide.backender.io. So we're gonna talk more about database and especially query builder, where you can add conditions inside your database for the next video. So thank you for watching, and this is the Backender database. Thank you.